This S-Coupe's only just literally arrived from California. It's a black plate car, so it's been in California its life. And a lot of people say to us, can we see underneath before it's cleaned or anything like this? So I'm going to show you now underneath this car so you can actually see what they should look like. And you can see the red oxide on the original. This would all be an original, this red oxide paint. But you can just see the quality of this car. I mean, it literally is superb. This car is, again, as I say, 55 years old. Structurally, just absolutely superb. I mean, once we've got into this and cleaned it and sealed it, it will be absolutely beautiful. But all the way along, it's great. You see an X-Flow exhaust here to help it breathe, which it needs to, because it's a big 390 engine upstairs. But really is in absolutely superb condition. Really genuine, original car. I doubt it's ever seen a raindrop in its life until it got here. But yeah, still got a few cobwebs up here at the moment where it's been in the container. But there you go, that's what they should look like when they come in. They should be that good without any sort of plating or holes or rust or anything like that. Something as good as structurally sound. This has got to be your base start at least. You've got to have something that good. So let's have a look at the rest of the car. Hi guys, Paul from Muscle Car UK here. We're actually sitting in our Mustang workshop today because the weather, it's teeming with rain outside, and unfortunately you wouldn't get to see the car properly, so we thought we'd better do it at the workshop. So here we go, we've got beautiful 68 390. So it's a big block S-Code car, automatic, C6 automatic shift as well. As you can see, it's in this beautiful lime gold. Now you'll notice it has got the Wimbledon white stripes, which is very Shelby-esque, because when Shelby did have this colour car come in, he seemed to always put these Wimbledon white stripes on it, which really do make it pop. And I think it looks absolutely stunning, to be honest. It's got the lovely bonnet on it with the trafficators inside, so as you're driving down the road, you'll find that these will flash in front of you. Just a lovely extra to have, and an expensive bonnet, and if you wanted to put that on now. But the paintwork's all in absolutely superb condition. As you can see, the stripes are running through all the way down and into the spoiler. Chrome's all good. You've got the GT front to it, as you can see, with the fog lights here, or the spotlights as one would suggest. And then you come through here, mind you don't fall over as you come past, but you can see it's got the 15-inch American racing Torq thrust racing wheels on it with BF Goodrich tyres, all in top condition, all beautiful, which really does set it off. If you look at the, if you again look at this lime gold colour, which I absolutely love, and you've got the chrome, you've got the grey, you've got this little polished edge on it as well, which really does make it pop. You've obviously got the GT badges, because that's what it is. And you've got the reflector, the 68 reflector at the front of the wing. You have them at the front of the wing on the 68s and on the back wing, which is also true of the convertibles and the fastbacks. But again, all the chrome is beautiful. You can see through here. These are always a difficult one to get if you needed to renew these, but they're in really top shape. Absolutely beautiful, lovely. Coming through the car, again, all the panel gaps are very good. There's that reflector on the back panel that I was just mentioning here, which denotes it's a 68. Then if you can come around the back, Grant, you'll see that it really is fantastic at the back. It really does look gorgeous. Again, the GT cap, as opposed to a screw cap, because that was another extra they had at the time for the GT. You've got the four exhaust pipes popping out of the boxes at the back, which give you that fantastic raucous sound. And these reverse lights are already in the back panel. So, yeah, from new, we've got a Marty report, so we can see that this lime green colour was its